Baptist, here are your morning announcements. Take a walk through America's history as we explore jazz, music, and culture. Tickets, $10 for adults, $5 ages 6 to 12, and free for children 5 and under. On Tuesday, November 13th, there will be a Spiritual Growth Ministry meeting at 6:30 p.m. All Bible studies will take place this week. However, there will be no Bible study scheduled for the week of Thanksgiving. On Wednesday, November 14th, there will be a Bible Discovery Hour ministry meeting at 6 o'clock p.m. There will be a food bank distribution every first and third Saturday from 10 to 1. On Saturday, November 17th, there will be a Jam Family Feast and Education Forum from 10 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Speaker will be Ms. Shanique Jackson. On Sunday, November 18th, there will be a Witness Team Ministry meeting at 9:45 a.m. and a Pastoral Care Ministry meeting after 11:15 a.m. worship. Here are some special events here at Second Baptist Church. Ladies, come out and join us at the Gathering Place on Friday, November 30th, 2012 from 7 to 9. If you're interested in attending, contact the administrative office at 803-644-3994. One Table Aiken Community Annual Thanksgiving Day Celebration. If you would like to volunteer to serve, prepare food, or make a monetary donation, please call the administrative office at 803-644-3994 by Friday, November 16th. It's Christmas time. If you would like to sponsor a child ages 6 months to 12 years old for Christmas, please contact Grace Darasaw at 803-644-3994 by November 30th. The Men's Ministry is looking for men and women volunteers to help out at the Christmas in Hopeland Gardens on December 20th and December 26th. Please sign up by November 25th. Contact Deacon Jerome Jenkins at 803-507-4209 or Deacon Will James at 803-293-8506 for more information. Come join us for Wild Out Worship on Sunday, December 2nd at 11:15 worship, sponsored by Generation Acts, youth and college students, featuring the South Carolina State University United Voices of Christ. Contact Reverend Jaquees Wright at 803-644-3994. This concludes our announcements for today. I am Kimberly Holland from the Media Ministry. Have a blessed week.